Hello, my name is Jordan DeVito and I'll be covering the bells and whistles of Microsoft OneNote. To begin, we're going to start with copying and pasting text. All you do is highlight the text, hit copy if you want to copy it, cut if you want to remove it, and paste if you would like to insert it back into the document. It'll stay with the last text that you copied until you copy something else. To format text, all you do is highlight it. You can change the font by going up here. You can change if it's bold, italicized, underlined, strike through, or if it needs an exponent by selecting any of the tabs that I just showed you. To change the size, highlight the text, go up here to font size, and select the size that you want. To change the color, highlight it, go up to this icon, and choose a color. To copy text formatting, highlight the text that you want to copy, hit Format Painter, and highlight the text that you want to change. To use pre-made headings, highlight the text, go over here, and select the heading. To assign text different tags, simply highlight it and choose the tags. You can do things like to do, remind. You can even add phone numbers, highlight it, add addresses, definitions, etc. Moving on to the Insert tab, we have quite a few things we can do. First, let's add a table. Let's do a 2x2 table. So I have my information here. Just some random information. To add images, we go to Insert and Picture, and just select a file from your computer. To change the size, you can click on one of these boxes to make it bigger as a whole, thinner, or shorter. To insert PDFs, hit PDF Printout and select your document. It'll show not only as this little preview, but it'll give you a nice little icon. To add links, skipped one. To add file attachments, it's the same thing. Just go in through File Attachment and choose your document. It works with any Microsoft document such as Word, PowerPoint, or Excel. To add a link, first we're going to open a new window in your browser. Let's go to Google Images. And let's look up math. I'm going to click on the image once, right-click the image, and I'm going to copy image address. Then I go up here to link, hit paste, highlight the text to display. Sorry about that. Highlight all the text to display. And let's just write fun with equations. And whenever you click on this, it'll take you right to the image. To add the date and time, you simply hit date or date and time. Well, there you go. It's just proof that it works, right? To add shapes, all you have to do is choose a shape and click and drag. You can change the color, and you can change the thickness of your lines. You can also arrange it backward, forward, front, and back, just like PowerPoint. You can rotate it, and you can even delete the shape. To add audio recordings, you simply go to Insert and Audio Recordings. Now the OneNote is recording my voice in real time, and it will be able to be used later on during lessons or to help me with my own thoughts. And that'll show up in this little box. Moving on to the Draw tab, clicking on the highlighter, we can highlight text. We can even change the color of the highlight and the ink color. You can use whatever you would like. You can use the pen or markers to write and draw. You can use the lasso select to select text and move it around. You can use the eraser to erase things that you've drawn or added to your notebook. And finally, you can click this little icon to return to text mode, so you're no longer using a pen or a marker or an eraser. Thank you for tuning in to learn about the bells and whistles of OneNote, and we hope to see you again soon.